Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. Just remember, if this is the sort of thing that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So as you would have seen by the thumbnail, we're going to be trying out the new Tcb Winter Wax and also the Wax Off competition winner Tcb number 8 wax. Now I gotta say a big thank you to admin Steve. Geeky Detail Reviews, you might know him as. This was his idea to bring these waxes to life for the TCB members, so a big massive thank you on that, Steve. So we're going to start off with the TCB number 8 wax. Now my first impressions of this wax, it is very buttery, like it goes on so easy. Now as stated, this was the winner of the wax off competition that TCB held back last year, and it was made by J Sultan at Bouncers. So it is a show wax with an easy on, easy off behaviour. It is good durability, provides stunning visuals, exceptional water behaviour, smelt and look good, and the wax left behind a slick finish. So now we're on to the TCB Winter Wax, and first impressions as opening this jar, the smell hits you. It's very nice, pleasant smell, and again, a little goes a long way with these waxes. And a little bit more about the Winter Wax. The Winter Wax was developed by the boys at Infinity Wax. So they say that this is a traditional canuba and polyethylene wax mixed with powerful silicone resins to create a classic style wax with excellent gloss, easy on and easy off properties, and durability. So after a swipe test and 10 minutes, this was ready to buff off, and it buffed off just as easy as it went on. And it was definitely noticeable once buffed off. The level of gloss had improved. So another swipe test and another 10 minutes have gone, and it's time to take the winter wax off. Now this was a little bit grabby in certain places. I don't know whether that was down to me over applying. So I think this is everybody's favourite part, the beading and water behaviour. So here's just a split 50-50 down the middle, with the number 8 on the right of your screen, winter wax on the left, and as you'll see, the water is beading up real good on both sides and running off the panel. So let's just check out number 8 water behaviour. So here I am using the Bead Maker 6000, just a little gadget that I put together instead of using a trigger sprayer, just to make beads. And as you'll see, this wax is beading proper. Really nice to see as the water's gliding off the panel as well. So just a quick sheeting test. As you'll see, the number 8 makes light work of it, effortless really. And so does the winter wax. The water behaviours on these waxes are exceptional. Fair play. So this is the winter wax beading. And guys, if you've used any of these waxes, please let me know your comments and your thoughts down below. I'd like to say a big massive thank you for everyone for watching, sharing and subscribing. Really does mean a lot. All the links for the TCB Facebook page and YouTube channel will be down below. Also, there'll be links down below for Steve at Geeky Details Instagram and his YouTube channel. So please go check him out. And I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Ta-ra.